You know how the pieces move, but your game still ends in just a few moves. In this video, I'll show you the simple principles that will instantly stop you from losing games so quickly. Chapter 1. The goal of the game. Foundation. Principle number 1. Checkmate is the objective. The goal is to trap the king so it cannot escape, not about random attacks. Focus on the king. Principle number 2. Material matters. More pieces is equal to higher chances to win. If you lose your queen, game becomes very hard. Chapter 2. Fast moves in the game. Principle number 3. Develop pieces early. Bring knights and bishops into the game. Don't keep pieces on standing squares. Principle number 4. Knights before bishops. Knights have fewer options. Develop them first. Principle number 5. Don't move the same piece again and again. Try to develop a new piece each move. Chapter 3. Control the center. Principle number 6. Push center pawns. Moves like e4, d4 help control the game. Avoid pushing rook's pawn at the opening. Principle number 7. Aim pieces toward the center. Center squares give more power for your pieces. Pieces occupy maximum squares from center. Chapter 4. King Safety. Principle number 8. Castle early. Protect your king by castling as soon as possible. Castling gives king safety as well as development. Principle number 9. Don't leave your king in danger. Avoid opening too many squares near your king. Pawns act as a shield to the king. Chapter 5. Stop blundering. Principle number 10. Always check what opponent is attacking. Before every move, ask what is my opponent threatening. Think from their perspective too. Principle number 11. Don't hang pieces. If your pieces is not protected, it can be taken. Just by not hanging pieces, you will be ahead of most beginners. Principle number 12. Double check before moving. One quick check prevents most mistakes. Imagine move on board before playing. Principle number 13. Take free pieces. If opponent gives a piece for free, take it. Look out for hanging pieces. Chapter number 6. Simple thinking habits. Principle number 14. Look for checks, captures and threats. These are the most important moves. This tip is useful even for master level. Principle number 15. Use all your pieces. Don't play with just one or two pieces. Develop all pieces and play. Principle number 16. Play simple moves. Don't try fancy ideas. Keep it safe. No blunder is better than one brilliant move. Chapter 7. Queen Rule. Principle number 17. Don't bring queen out early. It gets attacked and you lose time. Queen might get trapped. Principle number 18. Use queen after development. Bring queen out only after other pieces. Develop other pieces at first. Chapter number 8. Basic habits. Principle number 19. Play slowly. Don't rush moves. Take your time. Principle number 20. Fewer mistakes is cost to more wins. At this table, the player who blunders less wins. If you follow these principles, you will already start winning more games because most players at this level are losing due to simple mistakes. In the next video, we'll go deeper and start improving our actual gameplay step by step.